With the development of green energy technology and the demand for energy conservation, DC high-voltage centralized power supply lighting system will be widely used in residences, offices or other commercial occasions due to the characteristics of low power consumption and low configuration cost in the future. To lead the DC centralized power supply lighting market, MEANWELL will successively launch high-power and high-voltage 380 DC volt drivers, as well as high-voltage DC-DC constant current drivers. In addition, MEANWELL also proposed a new solution of DC high-voltage centralized power supply combined with Dolly 2 digital lighting. UHP 1500 outputs 380 DC volt, which is the DC centralized power bus of the whole lighting system. In addition to driving NHDD40, it can also be used for DLC02 controller and DAP04 converter. DLC02 acts as a Dolly bus power supply and controller, receives 24-bit Dolly signal from the switch panel and converts them into 16-bit Dolly signal, which is converted into corresponding PWM signal by DAP04. Then, the brightness of the lamps controlled by NHDD40 is adjusted according to the PWM signal. Next, we will make a demo kit based on this wiring configuration diagram to demonstrate the application of DC high-voltage centralized power supply combined with Dolly 2 digital lighting. Click B1 and B2 on switch panel to turn on the lamps. Long press B1. The brightness of the left lamp slowly decreases from 100% to 0. Long press B1 again. The brightness of the left lamp slowly increases from 0 to 100%. Long press B2. The brightness of the right lamp slowly decreases from 100% to 0. Long press B2 again. The brightness of the right lamp slowly increase from 0 to 100%. Demo kit can be used to control external lamps, and customers can freely choose lamps that match the specifications of NHDD40 for demonstration. Double-click B3 to turn on external lamps. Long press B3. The brightness of the external lamps slowly decrease from 100% to 0. Demo kit offers the PowerBus 380 DC volt external terminal, which is controlled by the relay K4 of the DLC02. Double-click B4. The relay K4 is closed, and the external terminal outputs 380 volt. Click B4. The relay K4 is open, and there is no voltage on external terminal. Finally, take the office as an example to show the application of DC high-voltage centralized power supply lighting. Turn on all lamps. Dim at the lowest 1%. Dim at 100%. Turn off all lamps. For more solutions for DC centralized power supply lighting, please contact MEANWELL sales or technical service engineers.